Hey friends, welcome to One Flight Down Basement Beer Tastings. Today we are checking out a Hazy IPA from the Belching Beaver Brewing Company. All right, so the Belching Beaver Brewing Company is out of Oceanside, California. This beer was picked up for me by my friend Crystal, who picked it up at Total Wine in Minneapolis. I'm sure all of my U.S. viewers would know Total Wine. Sounds like it's just a big old booze superstore. I've yet to go there. But next time I'm down in the Minneapolis area, I'll probably check out that one. So I gave Crystal a list of beers to look for, and if she couldn't find the one I specifically asked for, she would just grab something else from that brewery. I have had one other beer from Belching Beaver that I really liked, and I was hoping she could find. They did not have that, and I can't remember the name of that, but it was a peanut butter milk stout, and it was fantastic. But this one sounds great, and I do really love a Hazy IPA. So this is the Hazers Gonna Haze Hazy IPA series. This beer is 6.6% alcohol. It's 1 U.S. pint, so it's a big, tall can. I love this little saying on the back here. Damn good times. So it is a rotating hop series. It says on the back here, but they've got a little QR code, and if you scan that QR code, it will tell you exactly which version of this rotating beer it is. So this one, I looked it up a minute ago. It's called the Mighty Mogwai. So it's a nice Gremlins reference there. I always appreciate a good Gremlins reference. Let's see here. The hops are Citra, Mosaic, Simcoe, Cryocitra. It's got juice yeast, and the malts are 2-row flaked oats, flaked white wheat, and white wheat. So flaked white wheat and white wheat. Yeah, I read that correctly. Okay, I think I've said all I need to say about this beer. I think it's time to crack this open. And because it's such a giant can, I'm going to use my Imperial Stormtrooper mug, because I think that'll hold a fair bit of beer. It's a pretty big glass. All right, let's get it in there. So it is a nice yellow hazy beer. A nice white head on it, and I am getting some juicy notes on the nose immediately off that pour. Let's check a little closer on the nose. Oh yeah, very fruity, very fruity. Not necessarily citrus, but fruity, like mango probably, something like that. All right, I'm going in for a sip. Cheers, friends. That is very juicy, very smooth. It's got a nice creamy mouthfeel, like medium body. That is creamy and smooth. That is nice. And really, this is another one of those hazy IPAs that I would recommend to people who say they don't like IPAs. It's just got a nice juicy quality to it, and there's not really like much of a bitterness at the end, which I know is what a lot of people don't like with IPAs. This is really nice. So I pick up mango notes for sure. It's very tropical. Yeah, this is a nice, smooth, easygoing beer. I'm going to enjoy sipping on this one this afternoon. It's creamy enough that I'm going to take my time with it. All right. Another winner. And I do have another one that I'll be doing from Belching Beaver in the near future. So keep your eyes out for that. And yeah, thank you all for dropping by the Terry Isle Basement Pub. Crystal, thanks for picking this one up for me. Always appreciate that. Yeah, we'll see you all again real soon, my friends. Cheers.